Why is binary used in computer science? Imagine a world where computers could only understand two options for every task, like flipping a switch on or off. That's essentially what binary is all about. It's a simple system that uses only two symbols, 0 and 1. This might seem basic, but it's the backbone of how all digital devices work. Binary is used in computer science because it perfectly matches how electronic circuits operate. When a circuit is off, it's represented by 0. When it's on, it's represented by 1. This clear difference makes it easy for computers to process data quickly and accurately. Unlike systems that need many different signals, binary only needs two, which simplifies hardware design. Think about it this way. Computers are like giant collections of tiny switches. Each switch can be turned on or off, representing 1 or 0. When you combine many switches, you can create complex instructions or store large amounts of information. For example, the letter A in binary is represented by a specific pattern of zeros and ones. The computer reads these patterns to display text, play sounds, or show images. Using just two states also makes computers more efficient. They can process information faster because they only need to recognize two signals instead of 10 or more. This reduces the chances of errors and saves power. If computers tried to use a decimal system, they would need to recognize 10 different voltage levels, which would make circuits more complicated and slower. In programming and coding, understanding binary helps you see how instructions are stored and executed. When you write code, it eventually gets translated into binary so the computer's processor can understand and act on it. This is why learning binary is a key part of studying computer science. For students, practicing how to convert decimal numbers into binary and vice versa is a great way to get comfortable with the system. Visualizing binary as a series of switches that are either on or off makes it easier to grasp. When you understand how data is stored as zeros and ones, it becomes clearer how computers perform tasks. In summary, binary is used in computer science because it aligns with how electronic devices work, making data processing simple, fast, and reliable. Knowing binary helps you understand the core of how computers operate and prepares you for more advanced topics in programming and technology.